video, we're showing you guys how to make homemade stickers. We want to give a special shout out to Sophie and Anna Swingler. We got this idea from them. So, hi Sophie and Anna. And if you're new to our show, hi, I'm Riley. I'm Grace. And I'm Grace. Make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe. For more videos in the future, make sure to hit that notification bell. Now on to the video. And the things you'll be needing for this craft are paper, packing tape, markers of your choice, parchment paper, and scissors. Your first step on a blank sheet of paper is to draw your design out. I'm going to draw a heart. Done. Alright guys, now we're going to cut around our picture. It's very important that not to cut right on your picture. Make sure to leave some white spaces because it'll be easier to tape on. The next step is you're going to cover your parchment paper in packing tape. You just need as much tape until the whole sticker can sit on the tape and not the parchment paper. And once you've taped down your tape to the parchment paper, you're going to tape over the sticker. So this is what our stickers look like. And when you're cutting around the sticker, it's very important you leave some space around the sticker so whatever you put your sticker on, it's able to stick. Alright guys, so we're going to stick our stickers onto our little wall here, and you just need to peel your parchment paper off the back of your sticker and stick it on to whatever you're sticking it on. That's all there is to making DIY stickers. Thanks for watching. See you next week. Bye. See you next week where we make kinetic sand.